Hey yo, good morning and happy new year. Hopefully you guys left 2020 well so that you can enter 2021 well. Fishing on the south side, it's been way too long. I actually went out on a charter fishing trip on the first of the year, but the conditions were rough. Yeah. Let's do this. The crew is ready to roll. You get your patch on? Nice.
Let's do it. I'm ready for this. I'm born ready. Alright folks, I know we got a little bit of turbulence out on the seas today, but we're on the Golden Dragon and we're safe with the crew, the captain, skipper. Yes, we're gonna catch some fish today. Yes, we are. Yes, we can.
We just had our first bite. It was a Ono, ran for a little bit, cut clean. That's a good sign though. We hadn't been out maybe 10 minutes. We just keep pulling lines, see what happens.
All right, so fishing is part art, part science, part dance.
Right now, Net is
He's doing the dance for us.
he's calling in the fish. We had one strike and that's it. But after this dance, the chance of us hooking up will increase. There we go, we just get it.
He's doing the two-arm dance now, so it's, but he's doing the wave.
All right, it's about 4:30. It has been an uneventful day of trolling, except for that first bite. Uneventful like New Year's Eve. Alan is still in the same spot, same chair.
8 hours straight.
But the patch is working, no sickness. Nobody has thrown up. Got Ted, Uncle Ramos up top. Sun getting ready to set on the west side. Sea conditions went to crap. It's like a roller coaster out here. We were trolling for 8 hours and no hanapa. That's how fishing is sometimes. Fishing's always glorious, but you don't always catch. We'll see if we can get some hanapa action today. Thanks for tuning in to TTF. There it is, the Honolulu sunrise, crescent moon. The bite should be good this morning. It's just before daybreak. I'm gonna start trolling my Daiwa Saltwater Pro lure here. This whole setup was gifted to me by a family member. It's the Tsunami Salt X 6000, fully sealed, all aluminum, even with it fully spooled. It weighs just around a pound, so incredibly light setup with this jigging rod. I'm gonna troll this until I come upon some bait. That way I'm not wasting my time searching for bait. Yo, switching over to the Shimano Spheros was a clutch move. So much easier. Opelu. My 3500 spin fisher was just way too small, inadequate. Even with bait fish I was struggling. And then when I hooked up on reef fish, the struggle was real. I love this reel, so smooth. Okay. What we got here? Oh, good size. Good size Opelu. Find a hook remover. Stay alive. CHL lures. Man, didn't fail me. Oh, that's you, Greg?
What's going on?
Man, it's good to see you. Yo, all kinds of bait down here. How's baby and mom?
Baby's good. Mom's better.
Full stringer. Oh, get up on here. Whoa. Where's that hook remover? I gotta do it by hand. 7:30. I shared all my bait except for a 3 Opelu. I'm about to put my first one out. All right. Nothing fancy, 3/0 hook. Straight through the nostrils. This is perfect size bait too. All right. The wind's picking up. Got some rain over Honolulu right now. Greg is heading back in. The other guys have headed in too, but I think I want to battle it out for another half hour or so. Haven't had a strike all morning, and I don't want to go in until I get something, really. But that'll all be dependent on the conditions. And if I don't feel like it's safe, then I'll head on in. Just got a hit. Oh, we on. Ah, it looks like an aha though. Yup, it's an aha. These are the worst bait stealers out here. Get out of here. So apparently somebody lost their kayak close to the shore. These guys have come to retrieve it. They're gonna bring it back to their rightful owner. Crazy, just floating out here. Winds are a little better. Lost my first bait to that needlefish. It frayed my line, so I retied it. About to put my second bait out. Like another needlefish. Haven't seen anything jumped yet though. Oh, we got some head shakes. Yeah, it's feeling like a needlefish. Marking a lot of stuff under me. Needlefish. Oh, snapped off, which is fine. Lost my second bait to another needlefish. Got one Opelu left. He's a really big guy, but we're gonna have to make it work. I was marking something under me not too long ago. Really should put a stinger on this guy, but oh well. This guy out. Feels like another needlefish for the third time here. Wow. This guy got destroyed. It's about 10:40. Starting to get unsafe out here. Unfortunately, nothing but that aha earlier. I'm gonna slowly make my way in. Kind of bummed that I didn't hook up on anything, but that's how fishing goes. Thanks for tuning in to TTF. As always, stay safe, keep fishing, and mahalo.